my way.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? Sorry, 1 second, my mic. Who else thinks this mic is just for fancy? I think I do, because the volume is already good enough. So anyway, I'm just blabbing. How are you guys doing? I'm dressed. You can see I'm fully dressed now. I'm on my way to the hospital. Baby girl has to take her 6 months vaccination, so I'm going to the hospital with her this morning. And I'll see you guys later. All right, my nails are still fire. I just felt like, they're so cool. I'm pretty good at this DIY thing, if I do say so myself. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. So this is lunch. This is Yamarita. Happiness made Yamarita for us. This light is not doing it justice. No, it's okay. So this is Yamarita. It's so yummy, very delicious. And look at these ones enjoying themselves. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
That's our cook for today. Thank you for lunch. Yummy Yamarita. It has blocked. No. It's thick. Now my sister was saying that if you put it in the freezer, it should be too thick.
Okay.
No, there's nothing. No. So guys, this is what I blended for baby. This is rice, plantain, boiled very soft, and then chicken. I didn't have leaf in the house. I was supposed to add like any kind of leaf, maybe spinach or ugu, but I didn't have leaf in the house, so I just worked with what I had. So at the point of giving her, I'll just mix this with a little bit of milk, but I gave her without milk today. Mix it with a little bit of milk. You can also put chicken broth, use chicken broth as the water for blending it, and then give to your 6-month-old baby. It's lovely. She really enjoyed it. I forgot to take a video, but I'll try and get a clip in and attach to this video. I just finished having lunch. I ate Yamarita. See my armpit. Somebody even stroked me in one of my shorts that my armpit was black. People have bad mouth. You guys have got no chill. Zero chill on these streets. So, thank you guys for watching my videos. Always appreciate the love. Alright? Mommy, say hey, yo. Anyway, don't kick it, mommy. See my twins. See mommy. Bless you. This is my handbag. I don't go anywhere without her. She will not let me go. She keeps screaming. She wouldn't allow another person to carry her. Mama, look up and say hello. Princess. Hello. Ew. I just went to use the toilet. She started crying. See her siblings there. They are watching a movie. I stood up for 1 second to use the toilet. Started crying, and before she would fly out of the bed, because now she's very mobile. I had to run to go get her. Don't touch my makeup brushes. Hi guys, good morning. I just thought to drop this in the video. Welcome to September. We're finally in the Ember months. I wish all of us safety in our goings and our comings, and September will be a blessed month, the beginning of the Ember months. Thank you always for your love and support, and I'll see you as the video goes along.
To go practice our tricks a little more before the show starts.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forever. Find my forevermore, through every storm. My guiding light, in your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. In your arms I feel alive.
Go sweet is here. Where are we going to?
ShopRite. ShopRite. We're going to have so much fun. Yes, we're going to have so much fun.
Yeah, just restart, dance, turn around.
Oh, wait, look at that place. And look at that place. There's one playtime.
Yes, playtime.
Yes.
Okay. You give me my shorty. Hey. I don't know if they will allow me carry this thing inside though.
What you can carry them?
It's not everybody that allows. Hey, hey, spin around, hey. Woo. Let me see. Yes, sir. Sorry. Ah, it's so beautiful. Bend your head. Don't carry your head. Yes. Let me see your face. Go together. Oh yeah, spin around, my princesses. Woo. Hey. Nice. Happiness and picture. You too like picture.
Where's my cover? Where's my cover? Is that
Are you gonna finish it if you keep it now?
Fine boy.
So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you.